Hello everyone, and welcome to this review. Today we're taking a close look at a brand new software called AiChat, a platform that claims to revolutionize Facebook and Instagram marketing by combining AI automation, chatbot technology, lead generation, social media management, and affiliate marketing tools into one cloud-based system. According to the creators, AiChat can help users generate leads, automate conversations, send marketing messages, manage social media accounts, and even create AI-powered e-commerce shops. But does it really live up to the hype? In this review, we'll explore its features, how it works, who it's designed for, and the potential advantages and limitations you should know before making a decision. Let's get started. AiChat is a cloud-based marketing platform designed to automate customer engagement on Facebook and Instagram. The software combines several tools into one dashboard, including AI-powered chatbot automation, lead generation tools, social media management, affiliate marketing integration, automated messaging, AI-generated content creation, Instagram and Facebook automation. The creators position AiChat as an alternative to traditional email marketing by focusing on social media conversations and automated engagement. Instead of spending time building websites, configuring servers, or managing multiple marketing tools, users can access everything from a single dashboard. One of the biggest selling points is that the software is designed for beginners. According to the sales page, users can start using the platform without coding skills, technical experience, or complicated setup processes. AiChat automates unlimited leads, free traffic, and high-ticket commissions in just 3 simple steps and with 0 monthly fees. Step 1. Log into our stunning cloud-based software. There is nothing for you to set up, configure, or host. We give you your own Facebook and Instagram chatbot with ChatGPT SMTP server and dedicated IP. Step 2. Upload your contacts list or let the app find red-hot FB and Instagram leads right away. That's right, we get you millions of Facebook and Instagram contacts targeted to your niche. Step 3. Relax as AiChat blasts any message with any link or offer to the phones of millions of people for unlimited free traffic and $1,000 automated commissions. Our ChatGPT-powered chatbot messages leads 24/7, talking like a real person and promoting your affiliate is who can benefit from using the world's best traffic and sales software. The answer to this is simple. Any internet marketer, regardless of the niche, who wants to make more money. People who want to live the true internet lifestyle and make commissions every time they press the send button on their AiChat account. Anyone who wants easy profits without having to configure anything themselves. Anyone looking to quit their 9-to-5, experience freedom and clear outstanding debt. Marketers who want to absolutely dominate and thrive, even in negative situations like the present. Marketers who want to be their own boss, get traffic and make sales on demand whenever they need or want to. People with sites